Reading music is a great skill to have, it's just not for everyone. Some people just need a different way to learn. Hi, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com, and I've been teaching people how to play the piano without reading music for over 30 years. I invite you to join us on Web Piano Teacher as we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love. We are so excited to present to you our 2019 Christmas series featuring 10 holiday favorites that are sure to bring warmth and joy to your family gatherings as you play classic tunes that sound great as piano solo or as an accompaniment for a group sing-along. Guys, if you want to play Christmas songs during the holidays, you have to start working before the holidays actually get here. Now is the perfect time to join us on Web Piano Teacher and start learning today.